Boiler installation Saint Helens. As the nights get colder, make sure you stay warm and cozy this winter with a new energy-efficient boiler. If you are wanting a new boiler installed, then you need a local team of gas engineers who are friendly and reliable, who are accredited installers for a long list of top boiler manufacturers including Ideal, Bosch and Vokera, who are also fully qualified and registered on the Gas Safe Register, and are fully insured. Installing a new energy-efficient boiler will not only help save the planet, but will also reduce the cost of your energy bills. So don't leave yourself shivering in the cold this winter. For more information on our boiler installation services, contact us today on 0151 453 7473.